Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Arizona Dreams. Today we're in Gilbert, Arizona, and we're at the grand opening of the Gilbert Regional Park, so join us while we check it out. Okay, so this is Gilbert Regional Park. Park hours are 5:30 to 10. Know that they're going to have an amphitheater and a water park and a lake and all the stuff that they're opening today, so let's check it out. The mayor's speaking right now. So the mayor is holding the scissors and they're doing the ribbon cutting ceremony.
All right, look at your drones. Hold on. All right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Gilbert. Welcome to Gilbert Regional Park.
So you just saw the mayor doing the ribbon cutting, and they've opened it up now. They're going to be turning on some water, so they have a splash pad that you see a bunch of the kids down there on. There's a slide and some other equipment. And a cranky boy that doesn't want to be held. Right. So the mayor is about to do a countdown and they're going to turn on the water. You see all the people kind of standing in front of us. The mayor's right here, all black with the phone sticking out of her back pocket. But the splash pad is directly in front of us. 9, 8, 7, 6, 8:30 in the morning, a little after, and it's 74 degrees. These are some brave Arizonans working out here.
If you want to be under the massive splash, now's the time. They're starting to tip. Those big tall structures, water's coming.
In case you kids understand, the guy who's saying that these big blue things fill with water and then they eventually will splash, and there you go. So the next one's just about ready to turn. You can see it moving, and nice big splash for the kids. So they're even selling merchandise to kind of promote the park. This is a really big deal for Gilbert. They've got a lot banking on this to raise the property values and then draw some more people in.
Mention it.
So it looks like they've got a few vendors set up to let you come in and get some free sandwiches and stuff. You want a bagel? Hey, please? What do you say? Okay, thank you. What do you want? Strawberry? So this is kind of the plan or the layout. You can see I mentioned the amphitheater pavilion. There's a lake coming in. There's going to be some courts. So there's a lot of stuff that is coming into this park. It's going to be unique and it's a big deal. You want to eat this or no? I got them for you.
Cool dudes with their new sunglasses.
Drinks and some bagels. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? Yeah, you don't need to tell me. So this area of the park, and again, the only part that's being revealed today is really the play area and the splash pad. But this area is specifically designed for little guys, the toddlers, right? They've got some drums, different drums that the kids can bang on. They've got some climbing stuff. Some slides, some micro slides, so pretty cool that they have that. Today they're playing some kids bop stuff, but then up here, this is for the bigger kids, and you can see they have an enclosed slide, there are a couple of them, some open slides, a big dome that they can climb and play in up there, like a fort, so pretty cool stuff. And again, this is just the beginning of what is going to be a huge park. I also just noticed they have a rock climbing feature on the wall there. I haven't seen that at one of the parks before, so that's kind of neat. But everybody's out in force here. They've got the police department and the fire department here.
You're so cute.
It's around the corner now.
Yeah, they're taking film and video. Look, Luke's going up there. You can go up there? Legs down here. Yep, hold on to the bars. Good? You like the tandem swing?
Yes. Yes, me too. But it tickles my legs.
Tickles?
Yeah.
Season dragonfly.
Mama, help me get this dragonfly.
Stay away from the water.
I can't catch dragonflies, sorry.
I am not gonna play.
Okay,
He's
good.
in a bad mood.
Yep. All right, well, we hope you enjoyed checking out the grand opening of the Gilbert Regional Park. Again, this is just phase 1. There's a whole lot more. You can check it out on their Gilbert, Town of Gilbert website. Otherwise, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comment on our new shirts. Let us know what you think because we're debating making some merch. Take care.